Let's look at this dashboard and see what kind of sales analysis you can do here. For selected year and month and dimension customer, it shows what is the total sales for that selected month and previous month and the percent growth. And for selected year, which is 2024, what is the total sales previous year and the percent growth. And you can see these sales numbers by customer as well in this aggregated table, and then monthly sales trend. For 2024, we have sales data all the way till October. So it's showing you monthly sales trend from Jan to October. I can change the year from 24 to 23, and now here it will show me sales all the way from Jan to December sales trend. And then I can see just top 10 customers, top 10 for selected month. Let's change month from September to April. And now for April, I can see who are the top 10 customers, what is the sales previous month compared to selected month, and the percent growth. And same thing applies for year as well, right? And then in the top, you can see overall sales growth for selected month and for selected year as well. Let's see how you will model this in Encarta. By the way, you can also change the dimension from customer to state, and then you see all this information by state here in these two tables, right? Modeling this in Encarta is pretty easy. If I just show you the formula for these KPIs, same formulas will be applied by state as well, so or by any dimension. So the way I've modeled this is, if you look at this presentation variable that I've defined for year, this is pretty straightforward. By the way, this can come from LOV as well. So in 2025, you will see 2025 as well, which is this field rag column here, right? So here for month, there's a reason I'm using 01, 02, 03, 04 all the way till 12 and showing it like this. Number one, it helps me in sorting, and then I can use the number in a formula to pick up the month and previous month. And the next one here is just showing customer and state. This is dynamic dimension. I can select any dimension and then show this aggregated table here by that particular dimension. Now let's look at the formula. Especially formula for monthly sales you're showing here is tricky. So let's focus on that first. So for selected month, the way I model this is if you look at this and here inside if, all I'm doing is from $p month, let's say user selects 03 dot March MAR. So the left will return 03, this left function. And then I'll convert this into integer, and using AND, I will filter because this is coming from date dimension. I'm comparing this month number with the selected month, and I'm comparing year from date dimension with selected year. And if these two conditions match, only then I return sales. Otherwise, I return 0, right? Now, you must have guessed what the logic is for previous month as well. Pretty straightforward. I subtract 1 from month number and then compare month number and year with value being returned from the presentation variable, and then return sales accordingly. Now, growth is just applying this formula that I defined earlier. This is sales from selected month minus sales from previous month and divided by sales from previous month. And by the way, logic for selected year is pretty straightforward. It's just compare selected year with the year and then return sales if it matches. And for previous year, it is just subtracting 1 from $p year, which is returning selected year, and then returning sales based on that. And growth, you must have guessed. It's just sales from selected year minus previous year divided by previous year. And that's all. So this is it. Only difference here is for for aggregated table for dynamic dimension. I'm just using the simple formula. This is whatever value user selects, compare that using $pdim. If this is state, it will return state from the table. Otherwise, it will return customer. Now, last one here is, again, this is straightforward. This is just like showing by month what is the total sales, and to sort it by month, which is string, I'm just using month number so that shows me correctly Jan to December, right?